So folks, I'm keen on creating this recharge dock idea with some unique customization. Where do I go to directly connect my Samsung S25 with the MAGSAFE module to attach it directly above and via wireless charging charge it simply, let's say this stand, I found it for free online. So go to on Time Givers, you can download it and nothing. The only thing I need to apply some changes because I downloaded the template and saw that there are some small corrections to make. Once these corrections are made, I will send it to print. And then no purchase, what is the wireless charging module? My plan is to connect everything and demonstrate some adjustments being made. The first step will be expanding the base slightly to accommodate adhesive materials for added stability. I'll also add some adhesive or stickers, ensuring it can sit securely on a coffee table without shifting. Additionally, I saw that the processing left certain parts too thin, which needs reinforcing for durability. To improve it, I worked on increasing the surface support at the back. It's a very simple extrusion. I gave more structure that it does not have, so I said more support behind. Then I started working here. I've adjusted various facets and dimensions. For example, you can now see how much I've enlarged the framework overall. Date. Until, let us say you get that. What is a surface that is always similar but much more resistant than can be printed because the problem is printing it. This is the 3D is done. Now we take it down to print. We print everything and then we start assembling it. Vedete ho stampato tutto niente bianco. PL transforms to white. Very simple, practically identical. Look at this. And now let's go to here we go. This is the charger. Let's call wireless magnetic battery charging that does this, and it is the same size as, let us say, this circumference. The only thing I had to do was I had to slightly widen it, and then if you see here, I know I made this cut because I actually noticed that the cable didn't go through this hole, so the cable has to go through here. Closing it goes into this creek. Here's why I'm showing this process to you. Battery charger. Observe these chargers carefully. Let's say it goes perfectly. The only thing that didn't fit into the hole at all. Let us say the cable couldn't fit in because it's impossible. And then one other thing, I recovered these two basically adhesive strips where on the other side there is some sort of silicone that's very adhesive. So what do I do now? I have to shape parts of the base. I'm going to shape, cut it, glue it, and I'm going to put this on. Then let us mount this. I always thread through this path. Perfect. Oh, I completely forgot to mention, let's carefully remove these from the film. You see this adhesive part here and it's silicone. Alright, the product assembly is now complete. What we have here is an SPUSB Type-C and Type-A port. Next, I'll connect it directly to a charger I have positioned below and demonstrate how it operates. Guys, as you have seen, it works great. The MAGSAFE attaches perfectly recharges the mobile phone. What was the purpose of this project? And no guys, I leave you the link in description. Go download. See you in the next video. Hello.